Don't throw away your old jersey scarf. Do this turban style instead. And this is the result. What do you think? Come closer, let me show you how to do this. With a bunch. So we're going to be using these two turban materials to create our braided turban style. So I'm going to take this one like this. See, this is the end of it. And take it around my head enough that I lock and hold like this. Okay, very snugly. And then I'll tuck in the tip of this one like this. See what I have there? This. Okay, very long head. And what I would like to do next is to introduce my second material, which is the black one. Okay. Yeah, but because I want to do a braided style, so I'm going to take it like this. So very close like this in a equal division and start braiding. See? I'm braiding the two colors to give us that mix effect. Okay. I'm not a braider, so please manage my braiding technique. Okay. Just twist or braid, and you can see black, yellow, black, yellow. And what I'm doing is I just take it around the braided part, my perimeter like this. So you can make it stand flat like this, but I like to bring it up that it stand like a hat. Okay, I'll still be able to adjust that. And then for the leftover material, I'm going to just braid it until I exhaust the black. Okay, and then this one I'm going to wrap it around the tips of the loose end like this. Okay, and now I've tucked that in. I'm going to bring the leftover material like this and just roll it around the bone and tuck in the tips of this. Okay, just like this. And this is what I got. Very simple two colors turban headwrap style that you can try out for yourself. What do you think about this style? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share with somebody. Thanks for watching.